How to run Facebook ads for perfume business. So why is it important to run Facebook ads for a perfume business? One, highly targeted advertising boosts sales and brand visibility and builds brand loyalty and community. So let's get started. First, you need to create a Facebook page account. To do that, you have to go to Facebook Create, and then you need to create a Facebook or create a page name right here. So for example, we are going to create a Facebook page for perfume or perfume business. We're going to name it as Fluorescence. So you have to add a name right here and also category. So basically for category, you can add here perfume, scents, everything is up to you. Okay, so once you have added category here, then you have to go to the bio. So you need to add a bio here, a little information about your business, about your perfume business. So you can add here, and then after that, you can now proceed after adding the bio, a little information about your business. Now here, you have to simply add a website if you have. If you don't have a website, you can create using Wix, WordPress, Squarespace. These are free sites or tools to create websites. Here you need to add your phone number. It's very important. Do not skip this section. Also, you need to add your location, address, okay, city, town, zip code. And then after that, let people know if you are open 24 hours, if you're always open or open at selected hours. So just select the time right here. And then once you have added all, then you can now proceed. So this time you need to add your profile picture, your logo of your business, and also your cover photo. So here I have added, you can use Canva for creating logo, profile pic, or banner. You can customize action button right here. Now, if you pick from any of this above, you need to add a link. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just scroll down and then tap on send message. And then I'm going to select this one right here. The client and people will see send a message on my Facebook page, and then confirm the page, and now you can proceed after adding your profile pic and also your banner. Now here you need to add your WhatsApp number, but you can also do that one later. You can invite your friends, add friends here, send them a link of your Facebook page, and then after that you can toggle on notification, but this one is optional. Everything is up to you. Tap on next to proceed. Now we have our Facebook page for our business. It's about time to run ads. So what you're going to do is you have to go to business.facebook.com, and then here if you have created a page, then you will see that automatically here you have to select that specific page, go to ads manager, and then tap on campaign, click this one, and then here this is where you're going to create a new campaign. Okay, so tap new campaign right here, and then now you have to select your goal, okay, your objective, why you want to run this campaign. You have your options below, such as awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, and app promotion. So it's up to you, whatever you choose here for your objective. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select engagement. So whenever you pick something here, you will see the information. Like if you tap engagement, it will get more views, messages, more interaction with your clients through views and posts, something like that. So tap on next, and then you will have your two options right here, but the first one is recommended, so you have to select this one or pick this one. Now proceed, and then here you can now add the name of your campaign. You can replace this one if you want. Now we have here bid strategy. So what is this? A campaign is a top level structure of your Facebook ad. If you say bid strategy, it tells Facebook how to spend your money to achieve the best results based on your goal. So you can choose from any of this here. Okay, so for example, if you choose campaign budget, you can choose daily or lifetime budget, but of course it depends on the money that you're about to spend here. You can set a goal here depending on your budget. Okay, and you will see also the result once you have added the budget right here, and you will have the idea if you prefer this one or if you spend more. Okay, so this is bead strategy right here. You have your option. As you can see, there is also this ad set budget, but most of the people they prefer the first one. Okay, you can do the testing, the AB, and then if you scroll down here, then you can also add category if you want. Now proceed once done, and then here you can connect your other social media accounts such as Instagram. If you have WhatsApp, then all you have to do is to add your Instagram business account and WhatsApp business account. You can change performance goal and then add the cost here for the goal, and you can also do budget and schedule. So, budget and schedule in Facebook ads. Budget is the amount of money you're willing to spend on your ads, and it can be set as the campaign or ad set. So, like what I've mentioned earlier, it could be daily budget or lifetime budget. So here it is. Actually, you can see the result on the right side. If you have your own template, you can toggle this one on above here and then add your template here. All you have to do is to create or edit that. Then you can add your Instagram account. You can do ad setup. This is the part of your Facebook ad campaign where you choose ad format, creative image, video, text, destination, website, shop, message, etc. Okay, so you can basically add image or video here for your campaign. So I strongly suggest to use Canva. It's a free editing tool, so you can just create images, something like this, and videos for your campaign here on your Facebook, which is indeed a very helpful. Okay, you can add the information here, and then after that, you can now proceed or tap on next. Okay, so basically that's it. Just review everything, and then you can now run your campaign or ads campaign here for your perfume and business. On the right side, you will see this campaign score. So if you want to reach 100%, then you should do a lot of edits here and replace some things and information here to reach 100% score. So after that, what you're going to do next is tap on publish, and that's it. So running Facebook ads for a perfume business is very important, especially in today's competitive and visually driven market. It can reach the right customers. It will help you boost brand awareness and visibility, increase sales even while you sleep, use retargeting to bring customers back, track performance, and optimize and create for gifts and seasonal campaigns. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to run Facebook ads for perfume business. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.